seen y'all in a while. I just landed here in Nashville, Tennessee. And we both just landed actually.
We just landed.
We haven't seen each other in like 2 months, so I'm super excited to see her. Yay! So we're on our...
We're on a little motorcade.
Car.
It's a cart.
Car.
It's a plastic cart.
Wait, let me take y'all outside.
How we go? We're going to get the rental, so this is definitely better than us having to hoist all of our equipment. Show them
One more time,
hoist the equipment. So we're going to get into the car, and then we're going to go and do all of our runnings around. We're going to take you guys along right here at Nashville at Southern Women's Show. So we got our rental, and they tried to play us. We have an SUV reserved. They were trying to give us an intermediate.
They were like, oh, well, with your 8 suitcases, your blue vehicle is over there. What?
What? No. Do you see
Light
how
travel.
we roll?
Light travel.
Just little light teas for the children. So we're going to try to find this convention center.
We're gonna eat.
And then we're gonna grab something to eat. We're gonna unload all this stuff. Of course, we have to make the Walmart run. So let's get to it. Time's a ticking. Oh, Nashville is 1 hour behind us Eastern Standard Time. So I don't really know what time zone we're in.
So what does that mean? We gained an hour?
We gain an hour, which means your sleep is gonna tell you that we're sleepy earlier. Let's go.
I like the So what would happen if you just like drove off? Are they not gonna let you in? You already have the fucking ticket.
So we are here at the I can't remember what they call this.
Nashville.
Oh, marshalling yard. And the marshalling yard is where we as vendors have to go and get clearance to unload our bags. And you wait forever to get this little ticket. And there are certain cities that we go to that it is really a pain in the butt because it just delays the process. The only thing I want to do is unload the car. And I'm going to have to leave anyway. I just need to unload the car. I need to scout out where we're going to be exhibiting. And I need to leave. And I'm hungry. And I've been up since 3 this morning. So I'm getting a little bit irritated. But we've been sitting here for an hour. Like, this is absolutely ridiculous. This is just, it's got to be a better way. And the crazy thing, we actually went to the venue first, and they immediately knew that we had not been to the marshalling yard because I didn't know we had to do that for this venue, but because I didn't have this little ticket. But there was nobody waiting there. Now there's like a line of people waiting behind me. Can you see this? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a line of people waiting behind me. And of course, I still have to unload all of this. Right? What do you think about it?
I've never been through this before.
No, because you're normally the talent that just shows up.
Yes, girl. Show up, produce, and get the fuck out.
And get down. Do this, noodle. I just love how Nashville is just unfiltered with their love for whiskey. Like, it's a thing. It's a thing. Look at that, XXX. That might just kill you. has. So Mike right now is trying to steal my LeBrons, and I was like, you can't have her. She's $30. But take a look at what he's doing.
Girls, Artist Couture did it right. Yes, Miss Jackie on there with the peach, girl.
He still can't have it.